Okay, so now let's develop based on this, right? We will send the data as what query parameter on what browser, and we will see that result, right? And we will implement what at the rate bean parameter. After then we will start what? After then we will start what security concept, right? Security, and we will understand that is the last concept of what 2.x, and but that is a too long application, right? So we have need to take too much analyzation and all those things. Okay, so now let's develop this application and we will see it, right? How we will develop this application and we will see this result, right? So what we will do now, click on what file new. After then what we will create one project, right? In that project what we will do now, we will select what web application, right? Web application. Now in that what we will do now, rk dot what rk dot bean, just bean app I'm taking, right? So now bean, just I'm taking bean application provider 1.0. Now I'm creating this application, finish it. Guys, I'm going to remove that whatever the XML configuration is there, right? That configuration also. Be patient and listen carefully, right? How we will write and how we will see everything, we will see here, right? So don't hurry about that. I will remove that one, and after then we will start what security concept only, right? So that is the, because of that I'm explaining this one, right? Otherwise no need to explain directly, I can explain that one also. So in that jersey application, right, which one? This one, bean, right? In that what we will do now, again just I'm going to remove this, delete this index.xml, right? I'm deleting it. So now what we will do now, right click on that project, again build path and configure build path, right? In that add library runtime Apache, this one. Next apply it. After applying, what we will do, we will go inside what pom.xml and am. So in the previous session, in the previous application, right, I told which dependency we have need, right? Whatever dependency we have need, we will copy from the, we will copy from what? Chrome, right? We will copy from Chrome. So let's copy that dependency, and we will put that dependency, and we will see the result again, and we will perform all those operation again, right? So first dependency is jersey container servlet, right? So let's jersey servlet container. Now first one I'm taking latest version, right? Now copy it and paste inside that dependency. Now second dependency, which dependency we have need, right? Jax rs json, right? Jackson Jax rs json maven provider. It's taking time to download dependency. Yeah. So now another dependency, we will put what? Another dependency. We will put what? Another dependency, paste it. Now one more dependency we have written, right? So that Jackson annotation, right? Jackson annotations Maven dependency. Let's take our latest version only, right? Yeah. Another dependency we will put inside that. Another, actually little bit net is slow, because of that I'm facing this issue. Yeah. So all dependency, whatever dependency we have need, we kept inside what? Web.x, sorry, in the pom.xml, right? So now still Java Maven compiler, right? Maven compiler, we have need what? Maven compiler tags here. Now copy it, and what we will do now, we will paste this tag here. Now the project, whatever dependency we have need, all dependency we kept inside that what? Pom.xml. Now okay. So after then, let's develop that, right? Let's develop that. First we see that all dependency, whatever dependency, see, again we will get what? Again we will get what? The see, h2 is not there, right? H2 is still not came. H2 dependency still not came, right? So if h2 dependency is not came, right? So just what you will do now, so we will take external h2 dependency, right? So no, we don't take, right? Just, yeah, we will take it, right? Because I don't know why these things is not coming in these versions. In the latest version, I think h2 dependency is not there. Because of that we are getting that problem. Okay, Jersey HK2. Let's keep one more dependency, right? Jersey HK2. I will share this dependency name also in the group. Don't worry, right? Now H2 locator, we got it, right? H2 API, H2 locator, and H2 util. Yeah, we got it. Those three dependency also. Now let's start the work, right? Let's start the work. So now how we will write? Just we create one class inside what? Com dot rk dot what? Bean, right? Bean param. Bean bean provider. I'm taking the class name as what? Bean provider. So now let's configure what? Web.xml, right? So let's configure it web.xml. So let's configure web.xml. Inside that, what we will do now, let's take servlet. Now servlet name, right? Servlet name, just I'm taking test. Servlet name, I'm taking what? Test. Servlet name is servlet class, right? Servlet class control shift T. Now containers, servlet container, servlet container, right? This one. Now copy that package name, paste it, right? So after then what we will do now, let's take init parameter. Init param, inside that init parameter, init init name, right? Init name, what is that init name? Jersey jersey dot jersey dot config jersey dot config dot server dot provider dot packages, right? After then second tag is what? Second tag is what? Param value. Inside that what we will take? Our package name, our API package name. What is that? This one, right? So in that, this package name, we will pass that package name inside what? Value, right? Inside the init param value. Now we will enable what? Load on startup. Just I'm taking here what? One. After then what I'm taking here? Servlet mapping, right? Servlet mapping. Inside that what I'm taking? Servlet name is just I'm taking what? Test. So test. After then URL pattern, right? URL pattern slash rest slash star, right? So this is what our front controller 2.x configuration. Now so let's develop it what? One entity class, right? One entity class, and we will take that entity class as argument, right? So what is that? Just I'm taking what? Employee class, our favorite employee class, right? So in that what we will do now? Emp. Now I'm taking what? Employee. Now finish it, right? So in that again what we will do now? Again just we will take what? Private private int emp id, right? Emp id. Again private string emp name, right? Private double emp shall, right? These two things I took, things I took, right? Now again what? Alt shift. So alt shift. Now alt shift s plus o, I'm creating what? Zero param constructor. Deselect it. Now select. Now again alt shift s plus r, select all, right? Now generate it. Now alt shift s plus s, now generate what? Two string. So we created what? Entity class, right? Now but we are going to perform what? We will send the data from the browser as what? Query parameter. So if we want to send the data as a query parameter, right? So we will use it what? We will use what? Even I explained here also, right? At the rate query parameter, based on the query, right? We will send the data from what? Browser means client, right? So to make as a client, right? In previous, right? Previously what we are doing, just we are taking, right? Public. So make that this one is a what? Resource, right? At the rate path, right? At the rate path. Inside that what we will do now? Slash, just I'm taking home, right? Just I'm taking what? Home. Inside that home again control shift O. Oh, Control D. Now at the rate path, right? Inside that, what we will do now, slash home, right? Slash home. Again, we will take what method? Public. So, but we have need to return what? Employee, right? So we have need to return what? Employee. So here what we will take, just we employee object data, right? So if we want to return what? Employee object data, just I'm taking what? String so data, right? So data now return, right? Return what? My emp data. Plus what we will do now, again we will convert, right? So in the previously how we are taking the argument, just I'm explaining, right, how we are taking in the previous session, right? As the argument at the rate, like query, right? Query param, inside that what we are doing, taking, we are taking what? ID, right? ID. After then we are taking what? Int what? Emp ID, right? Then we are taking this one will become local, right? So then we are using in the method, right? So now what? Now in this time what we are going to do now, we are going to do, we will remove this one, right? We will not take like this input, right, in that method, right? So if we want to take this, right, as an argument from the, then what we will do now, we will go inside what? Our entity class, means employee entity class, that employee class, right? So just we will use that query param, right? At the rate qu, at the rate what? Query, at the rate what? Query param. Now here we will make, right, what? Here we will make what? Emp just eid, right? Eid, I'm taking what here? Eid. Now here what I'm doing, that now at the rate, query parameter. Now at the rate query parameter, inside that what? E name I'm taking, right? E name. Again what I'm doing, that at the rate query, at the rate query, now again e cell, just I'm taking what? E cell, right? So now, based on this one, right, we will make the request from what? Client. Now here what we will do now, here just we will take at the rate bean, right? I explained, right? We will here at the rate bean parameter, I'm going to use what? At the rate bean parameter, which is introduced in what? Jersey 2.x version, right? That is called rest ec, right? Rest ec also, right? So jersey bean, just bean parameter, I will take that employee class is there as the argument, right? Employee class as what? Argument. Now e, right? So just I'm returning that plus e, and we will make the request as what? And we will make request as what? At the rate, just I'm taking path, right? Path. Inside that path I'm taking what? Message, slash message, right? After then what we will do now, again just we will make what? Get type request. So all those things, right? So based on what? See the how much reduce, just be passing only one argument and we will see the result. So here the code is more readable, and what? Code is more readable, right? Compared to previous versions, right? So because of that we are using what? To reducing the argument in the what? To reducing the argument inside what? Our endpoint, means resource method. So because of that we are using what? At the rate bean parameter, right? So we reduce the or not. So now let's run it, this application, so we will see the result. Yeah. So now let's make the request from home. the browser, right? The browser. So if we want to make the request on the browser, how we will make the request? So we use what? Query parameter, right? We use query parameter, but we will come inside what? emp employee object. So let's make the request, right? So now, so what we will do now? Rest slash home slash what? msg, right? We took like this path, right? Inside that what? Home, and yeah, perfect. So now again I said that how we will make the query parameter request. Now question mark, right? Question mark. After then we will come inside that what? emp, what in the query parameter eid we took, right? We will copy it, and we will paste here equal to what? 101, right? Now and symbol, right? And symbol. Again what we will do now? Again another emp name is there, right? Emp name, we will copy it, and we will paste it here, right? Again equal to, right? Now Ravik Ravikant. Now again what we will take? Again and symbol. Again another one is what? Ecell, right? Ecell. Now copy it and paste it, what? Equal to 30,000 into 0. Now enter. Why we are not found? 4, not 4 we are getting, right? Rest home message eid. Why we are getting like this? 1 minute, till we will send the just request, and we will see that. Oh, come to web.xml. One minute, guys. Something message home. Clean the project, right? Clean the project. Now right click on the project, run again, run it, finish. Now rest slash eid equal to 101, and ename equal to Ravi, and esal 20. Why 404 is giving? Means request is not going, right? Request is not going. 1 minute, guys. We will do it. Screen is visible, right?
It's visible.
What happened here? Mm, hey, screen is not visible, I think, right? Yeah, now I think. Yeah. Why we are not? 1 minute, guys. We will check. We have the patience, right? It's recognizing. I think again we have need what to open the Eclipse ID. Because of that we are getting. Let's what we will do now. Clean the project again, right? Now after cleaning the project, update again the project. What happened? Why we are getting this? Jakarta. Sorry. We see Jakarta. What is this Jakarta? Actually, the import statement only wrong because of that, right? Jakarta. What is this? Not a Jakarta. The import in the project, the whatever import statement control shift O. Now correct, right? We imported wrong things because of that. Yeah, because of that we are getting what 4 not 4, right? So now let's make the request again. Actually, in the explanation, I forget which package I'm what importing, right? So because of that, now let's run this application. This is only right. So let's make the request. Yeah, see, we got it the result or not. We have need, sometime whenever we are developing the application, we have need the patience, right? There is nothing more than else, because just if you are confident in you on your what development, on your what code, and then there is no bother about, see, I did not do anything in the application, just what I did. See, Jakarta, some another import statement. I used what another state import packages, right? Because of that, we are facing that issue. But I am confident with my code, right? Because of that, I I want to explain that things, right? So now next step is what next step I will remove whatever this explain this is now. I will remove this one. We will not configure in here, right? We will write a Java code, just only one line, right? Only one line code we will write it, and all configuration will happen, right? So there is no need to what much keep much effort, and even the industry also not using that one, right? This one web.xml configuration after what 3.x onward, servlet 3.x onward, right? No one is using what in the industry also these configurations, so don't worry about that, right? So what we will do now, let's stop today's session, and tomorrow we will learn what without advanced, that is what advanced jersey coding, right? advanced Jersey coding, we will see that. After then we will see what context memory. In the context memory, how we will read URL method, whatever method is there. These two concepts we will learn, and these two concepts, right, I will implement in where? I will implement in what? Our uh, uh, dynamic, right, using what? Jersey Jersey filter, using Jersey filter security. I will implement using what? First I will implement what? Roles in the what? Jersey implementation. After then we will develop as a what? Just in memory security. After then we will implement what? In the based on the database, how we will store that credential in database. And we will use like how Facebook is there, right? How by in the same login page some people is accessing another things, and the same having the right admin people can access the project, right, the Facebook admin things also. But we are user, just we are taking our own what profile in Facebook, like those analyzation I will give tomorrow. Okay, today I'm stopping the session. Okay now, so tomorrow we will see the things, right, how we will implement in that right, in the security concept. And that is the industry in the standard. Because of that I explained this much things. At the rate bean also I will use in the security. And I will remove, I will not use what? Web.xml configuration tomorrow I will not use this one. And we will learn what? Context memory in what? We will learn in the context memory in what? um, in the serverless context, in the restful services, right, in the restful services, what is the server context memory. And after then based on the context memory we will implement what? We will use tokenizer concept, and we will implement that what? The security concept. And that is the over, right? And in the previous session Amit also asked that things, right? Because of that I explained these things. Okay, so still till now anybody having any doubt, let me know that. Again we will ask me, right, one to one, whatever people are there can ask. Anybody having any doubt? Bharti, Chandan, Hari, Bhashwa.
No, no, I don't have any doubt.
Okay,
I
okay.
don't have also.
Okay, Bharti. Let's stop the session here only, right? So tomorrow
Okay.
we will see that what security concept tomorrow, right? Okay,
Okay.
thank you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, Ravi.
Okay, bye.
Bye.